Hey, you all know my daughter Lauren. For her safety, I got her very first dash cam, the ViewClear 70 from Redtiger. When you open the box, it comes with a quick tutorial on things, 2.5K camera for the back, cable clips and adhesive included, a power supply cable so you can plug it into your accessory in the car or truck, and a mounting tool, user manual, electrostatic sticker, and the camera. Can't wait to get this out and we'll start putting it in. Let's go. First things first, you take the electrostatic sticker, put it on the windshield. Super sticky. I'm going to go right about there. All right, we're going to attach this. Also, the memory card right here, the directions say to install it, but it's already in there. We are going to put it on, just like that, onto the sticker, the electrostatic sticker. Wow, nice. After cleaning the back window, put the electrostatic sticker on. When you put the camera on, take note to place it this way. So I'll put that right there. There. Next is the power supply cable with charger, and that just plugs into the back of the dash cam. Let's take a peek at that. Simple as that. This is the wire for the 2.5K for the rear camera. I'll plug that into the dash cam and run it around to the back. Running these wires is super easy. You just tuck it in using this instrument and down, just go all the way down through there, all the way to the back. And then this one, I won't show you all that. It just takes, I don't want to take a lot of time. This one tucks in the same way, going across that way. Run it down the doorway and over into the plug-in. Right there. That easy. And it just goes in, in this weather stripping all the way to the back. Really easy. Just like that. And you just find places to hide it all the way back. Same with the other one going to the power cord. Okay, we're all wired. I've run all the wires to the one wire to the back and got the charger hooked up. Let's plug it in. See what it does. Woohoo! English. Okay, so we run through the, I'm going to take this off. Protective screen. Okay, English. Preparing SD card. That's already in there. So we are good. So it is recording now. Turn off recording. In the booklet, there are quick commands that you can use, such as turn off recording, and that stops it. Turn off audio. You can just follow the commands. It's page 9 in the booklet. So that's a good start right there. The front cam, dash cam, is 4K. The rear one is 2.5K. So you hit settings and it'll show you all these features that you can work on. You can select volume, medium, low, off. You can turn off the click tone if you want. On, off, I'll just leave it. Voice control. If you don't want it, you can turn it off. It's currently on. Show rear camera. There it is. Show front camera. So I downloaded the app on my phone, and now I'm going to add the camera. Next, it's pretty straightforward. Add camera. Default password is 12345678. So then you go to Wi-Fi. You have to join the camera network. Turn the Wi-Fi on the phone, and now it shows up here. So I click on that. Then they want the password. Okay, I am connected. Woohoo! So it's tied into the camera. I'm going to get out, just go around the front. Take a look at that. That's pretty cool. So you can monitor it on your phone. Just check out, read the directions in the book, and you'll get that all straightened out. All right, we're ready to go test this out. We're going to go for a ride, check and see what the clarity is and what it picks up. So let's go for a ride. All right, the camera is recording. It's recording both front and back. Front at 4K, rear at 2.5K. Really nice recording the front and back. At the same time, you can pick, when you download on a computer, you can pick if you want the front or the back, or both. Bandstand park. The colors are really nice on this dash cam. We're heading directly into the sun right there. So I'm going to go out a little bit later in the dark tonight, and we'll ride around and see what we can see. But be sure and check the link in the description box if you want to check out this dash cam. It's the Redtiger ViewClear 70. Pretty sweet dash cam. It is nighttime. Here we are. Not much glare from the street light. Just want to say again, check out the link in the description box.